Hi everybody, today we are going to see an exclusive video from Educrawl. We are using laptop every day, but we don't know what are the parts inside the laptop. So we have decided to open a working laptop so that everyone knows what is inside a laptop. What is a laptop? Laptops combine all the input output components and capabilities of a desktop computer, including the display screen, small speakers, keyboard, data storage device. Sometimes an optical disk drive is also enclosed with it. There are also pointing devices like touchpad, pointing stick, with an operating system, processor, and memory. Today we can open an Acer Extensor 4620 series laptop. The model number is MS2204. Now let us open this Acer laptop, which is in working condition. One by one we will see all the parts inside this laptop. So let us open it and see. The monitor parts is visible now. So I am removing the monitor from the keyboard. So this is how it works. Now let us switch off this laptop so that we can see what are the parts inside this laptop. Now I am removing the battery. Users have to have more precaution when you are trying to open your laptop. The power should not be on. The battery should be removed. Now let us see what is inside this laptop. Here we can see the hard disk. Let us open it so that you can view the hard disk and other parts that are inside this laptop. Care should be taken. If you open your laptop, it should not damage the internal parts. Now you can see the CPU fan. That is the CPU fan. This is the hard disk. Yes, the connection from the hard disk. You can see here the RAM. So let us open. I am opening the RAM slot. You can see this is the RAM. So it is 2 GB RAM. You can see here. So there is also another RAM. Let us open that also. Yes, I am opening it. So let us see what is the configuration of the RAM. This is 512 MB RAM. So we have used the two RAM slot, one for 2 GB, another one for 512 MB. This is the wireless LAN slot you can see here. So where we have the wireless network connection, there is a small chip which can be removed. In this video I will be removing this wireless LAN slot and I will show to you. Now let us see other parts inside. The RAM slot, the hard disk slot. I am trying to open the hard disk slot. I will show you the hard disk. If your laptop is not working, you can remove the hard disks and you can buy an external hard disk drive enclosure case for laptop that is shown in the figure. You can remove this hard disk and you can connect to that external hard drive enclosure case and you can use it as a external hard disk drive. You can see this is a Hitachi hard disk. So you can see the configuration of it. So the hard disk is removed. This is a RAM slot, hard disk slot, CPU fan. So this fan will cool down your laptop device. So I am removing the CPU fan so that you can view how a CPU fan is inside a laptop. So for the viewers, I am trying to open this working condition laptop. So don't try to do at your home because it may damage your entire laptop. You can see this is the CPU fan. I have removed from that slot. FCV, the number is the I am removing the CPU fan from the slot. Now let us remove the network connectors. This is the network connector slot. Yes, you can see here. This is the configuration of the wireless LAN. So this is the slot where we can connect. This is an Intel processor. You can see the processor. RAM slot, CPU fan slot, hard disk slot. We can see all the parts, the fan, CPU fan. Next we can see the hard disk which we have removed from the laptop. This is the wireless LAN connector. The RAM, 2 GB RAM and 512 MB RAM. The different slots you can see in the laptop. Hard disk slot, RAM slot, wireless LAN slot. So you can see all the parts inside this laptop. Now let us see the monitor. I am trying to remove this monitor so that you can see what is inside this LCD monitor. So let us open it and see. So you can see the webcam, Crystal Eye webcam is here. So I am trying to remove the screws so that you can see what is inside that monitor as well as the camera, crystal eye camera, crystal eye webcam. So let us open it. Once again I repeat, please don't open your laptop like this. It may spoil all the parts. You can see the parts inside the screen. You can see the webcam, crystal eye camera. I am removing that LCD screen. So you can see here all the screws I am trying to remove. There is a silver foil at the back side of this LCD screen. If you remove all the screws, it will be visible. So I am trying to remove all the screws. You can see here the silver foil is here. So there are some wire connection. This is the back side of that monitor. You can see different cables are there. A small thin cable you can see here. So I am removing all those things so that we can see what is inside it. There is a small monitor connector. Let us open these slots. You can see minute connections are there. So I am breaking it open. So viewers, don't try to do this at your home, because we are opening this laptop for the benefit of the users. After this, we are going to dispose this laptop. You can see this connection, monitor connection, small tips with resistors, connectors, everything is there. This is the back side of the LCD monitor. This is how it looks. Now let us see the silver foil. So you can see the Acer monitor backside. Let me remove the silver foil and show you how the silver foil is there. Now let us tear the silver foil. So you can see the plastic background of that laptop LCD monitor, which is covered by a silver foil. So this is the silver foil, how it looks, you can see. So this is the connector which is at the back side of that LCD. You can see small wire. Now you can see the different parts in the laptop: the USB connector, the LCD connector, the modem connector, the infrared slot, the headphone slot, the LAN on-off switch, the Wi-Fi connector, the infrared connector. You can see the CD drive slot. is subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.